Hi and welcome to Knowledge Centre TV. So Greg has sent in a question regarding whether or not he should buy a home to live in or whether he should buy an investment property. So this is a common dilemma that a lot of first home buyers find themselves in. So let's take a look at it from a numbers perspective and see how it works out. So we're comparing a home and investment property and the numbers look like this. Let's assume that both properties can be purchased for $500,000. You've got a deposit of $100,000. That means you're going to need to take out a loan of $400,000. And let's assume an interest rate of 8%. That means that the weekly repayments on an 8% loan, if we're paying just interest only, work out to approximately $615 a week. Now here's where the difference starts, and that is with the investment property what you're going to be able to do is rent it out. So if we assume a rent of $385, this is assumed as to be about 4% of the value of the property. So if you were to negatively gear this property, and that is get a tax deduction on the amount that it cost you, and you were in the highest tax bracket, you'd get back $107 a week. This, added to the rent that you receive, means the property actually costs you $123 a week to hold. Compare this to buying your own home, which is still going to cost you $615 a week. So we can see quite easily there, looking at the numbers, that an investment property is a much easier way to go in terms of cash flow. Of course, you still need to live somewhere, so what we need to do is add in the rent that you would pay. So if we assume you would be paying $400 a week rent, then $400 extra means that the cost to you owning an investment property and renting are about $523 in this example. So you're still ahead from a cash flow point of view on a week-to-week basis, where you could actually afford maybe to rent a more expensive place if you so desired. So that's it from a numbers perspective. And what I've done is I've designed a simple spreadsheet which you can download from the Knowledge Centre. So if you go to Knowledge Centre TV section of our website, you'll see the link to download a simple Excel spreadsheet under this video, and you can plug in your own numbers there and see how it works out for you. Of course, none of this discounts the emotional factor of really wanting to live in your own place. That is a personal choice, and the decision is really up to you. So I hope this information has been helpful. For personal advice, you will need to speak to your own accountant or financial advisor. And if you haven't already, you can join the accountants list under the Resource Centre, and we'll send you the details of where you can get more help. Thanks for watching. Until next time, remember, never stop learning.